gonna show you what happened to this sheep at the farm. You won't believe it. Just let them do it to her. Such a well-behaved sheep, huh? The sheep wasn't alive, but it is, and she just goes with it. Look at that, boys and girls. She just came right off of this sheep. Here. How much fat is Very good.
Oh! I feel cut his eye.
My goodness. Look at that sheep. Just limp. Oh, on the other side that just came off of her skin. Look at that. Isn't that amazing, boys and girls? Almost done. He is done. Bring the sheep up. What a well-behaved sheep. Oh, Robin. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hot in all that wool? Are you hot in all that wool, huh? They're gonna shear you pretty soon, aren't they? Oh my goodness. Everybody's buying. Yes. Love you. Hi! You've been sheared. You're looking good. Hi there. Hi there. Hey, you got sheared too. You do too. My goodness, you're looking really good now. Oh, look. Nice job they did on you. A nice job. Do you like it, boys and girls? And here's the other mother. Oh, my. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. How are you? And there's your baby. Hi, baby. You're with your mommy, huh? Are you a proud mama? Huh? Hi, baby. You want to say hi to the boys and girls, huh? You want to say hi to the boys and girls? Hi. Hi there. You're so cute. Only a couple of weeks old, huh? Only a couple of weeks old. Baby's growing fast. She's already getting big. Yes, she is. Are you a proud mama? Hi there, cutie. I remember when you were a couple days old from being born. Yes. There's your mommy right behind you. Ba for everybody. Mama, ba. You all got cheered.